Iconic, legendary, cult classic. Bold statements, but here's why I think this watch is all of those things. Let's get into the review. So it's the SKX009. Nothing else to say. It's a really bold statement to say legendary, cult classic, iconic. But this watch is, if I'd even go as far as to say, if you were to have just one watch in your collection, this would be the one. For me, this would be the one. It's a mainstay in most watch collectors' collections. It's not out of place if you've got a collection of Rolex, IWC, Patek. You'd have an SKX in there. I have different watches and more expensive watches and watches that I'm kind of precious with. But with this watch, you're never really scared of scratching it, dinking it. It is what it is. It's a beta watch. It's got a good Seiko in-house movement. Very reliable, very robust, and it can take everything you throw at it. It comes on the Seiko Z22 rubber strap with the Tsunami logo at the tip of the strap. It's got a Tsunami logo on the back of this watch as well. So I saw a movie, All Is Lost, with Robert Redford, and it kind of made me chuckle that he wore this watch.
With an SOS call, over.
It's a tool watch, it's very functional. And what I liked about it in that movie, he had like a black NATO strap on it as well, which is like, you know, the quintessential kind of tool watch. There's two versions, the K1 version and the K2 version. K1's got the rubber bracelet, and the K2's got the Jubilee. Seiko make great watches, but they do get a bit of flack for the straps they make. I don't mind the straps. I don't think they're all that bad, but yeah, I think aftermarket straps for these, you have great combinations and options.
So is that literally your favourite watch?
If I was to have just one watch, yeah, this would be it. This would be it. Alright, let's put it this way. If I was on a desert island... No, that's not true. If I was on a desert island, the watch I'd take with me is a Casio F91. However...
But then, how would you wouldn't have any batteries for that?
Yeah, but... last 10 years, that was, wasn't it?
Yeah, but you might be on there for longer than 10 years, though.
Right, okay. If I was lost at sea like Robert Redford was in the movie All Is Lost, I'd wear this watch on a NATO strap.
With an SOS call, over.
What I mean by that is it's just a great all-round watch. It's an entry-level watch. You know, for about £200, it gets you into a well-known, well-respected, fully automatic. It's a badass watch. It is a badass watch.
SOS call, over.
Let's talk about something which is either going to annoy the hell out of you, or you might be able to put up with. 12 o'clock market and the chapter ring don't fully line up, and that really does knock people off, or it makes them really kind of upset. I like the phrase wabi sabi, in that sometimes, you know, perfection sometimes is in the imperfections, and I can live with it. It doesn't bother me at all. In the higher end Seiko, like the Prospects range or kind of limited edition Seiko divers or Grand Seiko, you're never ever going to have that kind of quality issue, but it's a minor flaw, and it's something that's probably because of these are mass produced. They've been banging these out since 1996, and they make them in mass because they're so well loved. Right, let's do a strap change. So I wanted to go with something that accentuates or matches the kind of Pepsi bezel. Got it. These are really easy to change, so you just need a spring bar tool, and your spring bar tool just fit in the side there where the springs bars go into the watch case. You just need to put your forks in there and just slide it over to the left hand side. Why is this taking longer than I thought it would? If you find that they're not coming out straight away, you just have to be patient. Take two. So I've took the stock bracelet off. There's a bit of faffing about with this. It should take you about 1 minute, but it took me about 7. I don't know why, but it just took a lot longer than I thought it would. Right, so I'm going to put on a NATO one piece. There you have it. The SKX009 with one of our NATO one piece watch straps. The reason why I prefer this one over the 007 is because of that. Because of that bezel, really. I just think it kind of makes it pop a bit more. So one off, one on. And there's no faffing about with the back strap. These are going straight on the wrist. Put it to the right location. Ooh, I like that. Do you know what? That's what I like about NATOs. You put them on. Sometimes you try something you don't think they'll match. And it actually works. I think this grey and red probably work a lot better than the blue. I really like that. Yo, yeah. Changes a watch totally. Alright, so we're going to try and get content out every week. Please subscribe, comment and like below, and thank you for your time.